Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company EdTech, and they're looking for a call center quality analyst to work from home. This job pays $12.25 per hour. What they offer is work from home, medical, dental, vision, and life insurance, company match for 401k, supplemental insurances, personalized coaching and specialized training and development sessions, competitive pay, tuition and daycare reimbursement, community involvement opportunities, paid time off, rewards and recognition for stellar performance, and opportunities for advancements. Over 90% of our promotions are internal. The shift schedule is from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. What you'll be doing: you monitor calls from sales or service teams and provide feedback to drive quality across all EdTech campaigns. Monitor disposition scores and provides QA feedback on calls and or chats. Assesses quality adherence based on QA audit from form per account. Prepare for and actively participate in calibration sessions when needed. Effectively communicates with internal and external clients. Works with a sense of urgency and meet all deadlines with proactive communication concerning timelines. Takes responsibility and initiative to develop core skills and competencies, being involved in every facet of personal development. Is flexible in an environment by championing and embracing change. Well, we expect you to have high school diploma or general education degree, GED, relevant QA experience or 1-year call center agent experience, knowledge of basic computer operations including keyboarding, proper English grammar and syntax, company policies and procedures as outlined in employee handbook, ability to communicate information to internal customers, peers, external clients, customers, and enter information into monitoring tool. Must be fluent and able to demonstrate skills in MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, impeccable grammar, spelling and reading skills. Ability to communicate in a professional manner, verbally and in writing. Ability to effectively monitor team members by using the EdTech Insight tools and provide summarized feedback in English to leaders when required. Valid driver's license or other government issue photo ID position. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to get notified when we have the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.